students. Last class we discussed degrees of a polynomial, types of a polynomial. Okay. Today we will discuss zeros of a polynomial. Zeros of a polynomial means in that polynomial variable will be. In that variable we can substitute any number, then we will get zeros of a polynomial. Okay, see, we will see here p of x is equal p of x is equal 5x cube 5x cube minus 2x square plus 3x minus 2. This is a polynomial. This is a cubic polynomial. Why? Because the highest power is 3. Its degree is, here power is 3, here power is 2, here power is 1, here 0. So its degree 3. Its degree 3. Okay, see. Then we want here zeros of a polynomial. Zeros of a polynomial. Then in the place of x, we will substitute 1, p of 1. So where will be x? Substitute in the place of x 1, we will get here 5 into 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square plus 3 into 1 minus 2 implies 5 into 1 how many times multiplying also? We will get 1 only. Minus 2 into 1 how many times multiplying also? We will get 1 only. Plus 3 1 year 3 minus 2 implies 5 1 year 5 minus 2 1 year 2 plus 3 minus 2. Here 5 is a positive number, 2 is a negative number, 3 is a positive number, 2 is a negative number. We will add both positive, both negative values. Then we will get here 5 is a positive, 3 is a positive, 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. This is negative, this is negative. Minus 2, minus 4. So one is positive, one is negative. What should do? Subtraction should do. Symbol is big number symbol. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4 plus 4. Why? Here 8 is big number. So then zeros of a polynomial means in the place of variable substitute any value. In the place of that variable substitute any value. We will get one constant. We will get one constant. Okay. In that, sometimes it is possible here positive number, sometimes it is positive negative number, sometimes it is positive, sometimes negative, sometimes 0 also. Sometimes 0 also. So zeros of a polynomial, for example, there only in substitute here p of x 5x cube. P of x is equal to 5x cube, okay, minus 2x square plus 3x minus 2. In the place of x, now only we done one substitute done. P of 1 is equal to, for us came 4. Now P of 0 in the place of x, substituting here 0, then we will get here 5 into 0 cube minus 2 into 0 square plus 3 into 0 minus 2. 0 into any value 0 minus 0 into any value 0. 3 into 0, 0, minus 2. 3 into 0, 0. All zeros only. 0, 0, 0, minus 2. Then the answer is minus 2. The answer is minus 2. So in this polynomial, in the place of x, one substituting, we got the answer is 4, positive value. In the polynomial, in the place of x, we substitute 0, then we got minus 2, means a negative number. And also see here, maybe p of minus 1. P of minus 1 substituting means we will get here p of minus 1. 5 into minus 1 whole cube minus 2 into minus 1 whole square plus 3 into minus 1 minus 2. This value keep in bracket. Okay, see here, again confusion getting. Here see, 5 into, before going to this, already we discussed previous classes, minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to positive plus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Why? 1 how many times multiplying also? The answer is 1 only. But we will see here, we are getting minus 1 or plus 1 means minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. How many times multiplied? 3 times. 3. Odd time. 3. 3 is the odd number. So odd time multiplying, we are getting minus. Even times we are getting. Even times we are multiplying. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1. So minus into minus, minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus only. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus. So like that will be minus 1. Odd times multiplying, we are getting minus 1. Minus 1 even times multiplying, we are getting plus 1. Like that only here also minus 1 whole cube is odd time. So 5 into minus 1. Minus 2 into even times means 1. Here 3 1 are minus 3 minus 2. 5 into minus 1 minus 5 minus 2 minus 3 minus 2. All the values are negative values only. So minus 5 minus 2 minus 7 minus 7 minus 3 minus 10 minus 10 minus 2 minus 12 minus 12. Okay, sometimes we are getting positive value, sometimes we are getting negative value, sometimes it is possible to get 0 also, sometimes it is possible to get 0 also. Okay, zeros of the polynomial means when we are getting 0, then it is the solution. Okay, next say we will take one more here. Okay, p of x is equal here. They given one polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3. This is a polynomial. In this polynomial, this is a quadratic polynomial. Why? Because the power is highest power is 2. Highest power here power is 1. Here power is 2. Constant means power is 0. So this polynomial's degree is 2. Okay, then what they are asking means they given this polynomial. Then find the values. Find the value of the polynomial. First one, x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. Second one, x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. Third, x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. Okay, first problem we'll see. X is equal to 0, then we will get x is equal to 0, then we will get here where x will be. In the place of x will substitute 0. 5 into 0 minus 4 into 0 square plus 3. Okay, so any value into 0, 0 only, minus 0 into any value, 0 only, plus 3. Okay, so for us came 3. When in this polynomial, in the place of x 0 substituting, we are getting 3. Now x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. Then substitute where x will be in the place of x minus 1. 5 into minus 1 minus 4 into minus 1 whole square plus 3. 5 into minus 1 minus 5. Here see minus 4 into 1 plus 3. Minus 5 minus 4 plus 3. Now negative number, positive number, it is possible to add. Minus 9 plus 3. One is positive, one is negative. What should do? Subtraction should do. The symbol is big number symbol. So minus 6. Like that only we will substitute here. X is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. Substitute. Then we will get here 5 into 2 minus 4 into 2 square plus 3. 5 twos are 10 minus 4 into 2 twos are 4 plus 3. 10 minus 4 fours are 16 plus 3. Positive number, negative number, positive number. Positive is it possible to add? 10 plus 3 13. 13 minus 16, one is positive, one is negative. Subtraction should do, symbol is big number symbol. So minus 3. X is equal to 2, substituting, we got minus 3, it is a negative number. X is equal to 0, we got plus 3, it is a positive number. X is equal to minus 1, we got minus 6, it is a negative number. Okay, we will see here. One more problem we'll see here. P of y is equal P of y. They given P of y polynomial y square minus y plus 1. Y square minus y plus 1. Okay. Then we will see P of 0, P of 0, P of 1, P of 0, P of 1, P of 2. Third sub. P of 2. Substitute. Then we check the answers. First, P of 0. P of 0 is equal to, in the place of y, substitute 0. 0 square minus 0 plus 1 is equal. 0 square means 0 only. 0, 0. There is no value. So answer is 1. Next, P of 1. P of 1 is equal. In the place of y, substitute now 1. 1 square minus 1 plus 1. Okay. It's equal. 1 square means 1 only. 1 minus 1 plus 1. Positive, negative, positive. Positive, positive, it is possible to add. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 minus 1. 1 is positive, 1 is negative. Subtract should do. The symbol is big number symbol. 2 minus 1, 1. Now P of 2. Substitute here. P of 2. P of y is equal to y square minus y plus 1. Now in the place of y, we are substituting thirds above. P of 2. P of 2 is equal 2 square minus 2 plus 1 is equal to 2 2s are 4 minus 2 plus 1. Positive, negative, positive. Positive, positive. Add 4 plus 1, 5. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Why 3 here? 3 is a positive number. Why? One is positive, one is negative. Subtract should do. The symbol is big number symbol. So 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 3 is a positive number. Okay, once you see here, this is polynomial. In this polynomial, this is a quadratic polynomial. This is a quadratic polynomial. The highest power is 1. That is called linear polynomial. The highest power is 2. That is a quadratic polynomial. The highest power is 3. That is a cubic polynomial. See here the highest polynomial is 2. This is a quadratic polynomial. In this quadratic polynomial, the degree is 2. The degree is 2. Here 2, here 1, here 0. Then in this polynomial 0 in the place of I substitute 0, we got the answer is 1. 1 is a positive number. In that polynomial substitute 1, we got answer is 1. That is a positive. In the place of I substitute 2, then we got the answer is 3. 3 is a positive number. Okay, we will discuss still more problems in next class. Thank you.